Maneki Neko in Japanese means beckoning cat. The name comes from its posture, as the lucky cat sculpture is always depicted with an upright paw, sometimes still, sometimes moving. So, meet Feng Shui Cat, arm swinging, solar powered, full of mystic Feng Shui. Now it's time to see what's inside of it.
Toys for you. Hello boys and girls, I'm very excited because right now we are explorers and we are gonna find out a great mystery. We're gonna find out where does the Feng Shui come from. Yes, that's right. We have a Feng Shui cat and we're gonna find out where does it come from. We know that it comes from China and it works with batteries that are not included. But this one still works, guys. And that's another mystery.
A solar panel is a device that harvests light and solar energy. It is made of multiple solar cells. They are basically a sandwich between a blue type silicon and a red type silicon, and they generate electricity by using sunlight to make electrons hop across the junction between the different flavors of silicon. Using the sun's power is amazing because it is clean, renewable energy. It has unfortunately some drawbacks. One of them is that sunshine varies from morning to evening, and the other is that with current technology it takes a lot of expensive photovoltaic cells to produce a decent amount of electricity. All those being said, you can still use solar power for some tasks that you do, like charging your phone, for example.
We are smart. We know that it works with solar power, but we still want to check out what's inside of it. And now the moment of the truth. Are you ready for this? We are adding the battery from some extra juice. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, what do we have here? Well, we have two wires for each plus and minus for the electric current. We have one wire that comes from the plus of the battery and the other comes from the solar panel. Okay, so this is for boosting this little kitty. Okay, what else we have? We have a lot of circuits right here and condensers and stuff. And here it's something very interesting. It's a magnet. Actually, there are two magnets on this pendulum. There are two tiny magnets. And what are they doing? Well, they are basically pushing themselves against this tiny thing. This is a coil. This is an electromagnetic coil.
Electromagnets are temporary and artificial magnets. They are magnets that are only magnetic when there is a coil of wire with electricity running through it. The coil of wire is called solenoid. The strength of the magnet is proportional to the current flowing in the circuit. Now you know.
Okay? All the current comes here and here is a hidden wire. Basically, what we found here is that this coil is charged and becomes a smart magnet, and it pushes back and forth these two magnets from the pendulum. Guys, this is it. This is the Feng Shui Cat. I really hope you liked it. I know I find it very interesting. I don't know if we found the source of the Feng Shui power, but we did find some interesting application for harvesting solar power, and that's cool. Maybe you should think how you can harvest solar energy for your body and for future applications that you can develop. Now you know, and you have seen it at What's Inside, at Toys for You. You can comment to our community posts and tell us what you want to see inside. Until then, see you in the next one. Now let's try to put it back. Hopefully the Feng Shui will not be lost. Okay.
Like and subscribe!
See you in the next one.
Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.